How to create your first QR code in 60 seconds. Once you're in your dashboard, click Custom Codes. Click the Add More Custom Codes button. Decide on how many QR codes you want to add. I'm just going to add one. You can change that number by typing it into the box or clicking the up and down arrows here. Now click OK, and a single QR code will be added to your dashboard. Select it by checking the left-hand checkbox and click Print Ready PDF or Download as PNG. This is the PNG view. The PDF works the same way. This will create a zip file for you to save. Open the saved file and you'll see the PNG with the QR code ID printed beneath it. Now you can save and print the QR code and edit it after it's been printed. There is a separate video called How to Edit Your QR Codes that goes into this in more detail.